Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You arrive and park so your fuel door lines up with the pump. This prevents fumbling later. Once parked, turn off the engine and set the parking brake for safety. Make sure you have payment ready, tap your credit or debit card, use your Petro-Points card, or plan to pay inside. Check the pump labels and choose the correct grade for your vehicle. This protects the engine and ensures warranty compliance. Now pick up the nozzle and unlock it if needed to begin fueling. After authorizing payment on the screen or telling the attendant your pump number, lift the nozzle and select the grade you noted earlier. Insert the nozzle firmly into the filler neck and engage the pump latch if it has one to maintain steady flow while you attend the vehicle. Squeeze the handle with a steady pressure. If you want a gentler fill, use intermittent squeezes to control spillage. Monitor the meter and the vehicle's filler area. Once the required amount or auto shutoff occurs, release the handle and return the nozzle to its cradle. Once fueling stops, replace and tighten your gas cap to prevent vapors and fuel loss. Then return the nozzle to its holder so the next customer has no issues. Collect your printed receipt or opt for a digital copy. It documents the transaction and helps with disputes. Inspect around the filler area for drips or spills and clean them if minor. If you notice a leak, do not start the car. If the pump malfunctions, record the pump number, keep your receipt, and seek immediate attendant assistance for correction and refund.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.